Yes, my people, what's going on? As you have already gathered from the thumbnail and the title, we're going to be engaging drift mode on this. Let's test it out, see how it holds up. Obviously, while driving here and there, I've had to play with it, and it doesn't do too bad. I haven't yet tried out drift mode in a private land, so that's what we're about to do now. It is a dry day, so I'm not going to be expecting full rear wheel mode drifts, because it's not rear wheel drive. It only sends up to 50% to the rear, and then it corrects itself. On forums it says that you need to put it in drift mode and take traction fully off. It should slide better. Yeah, we'll see. What are we saying? Off-roading. We've got cameraman active as well.
The route was like a proper off-road track.
Yeah.
But now we've got a little bit of an entrance there.
Oh yeah. On job. We've got a bit of a problem. So the normal entrance we used to take, we've closed it off. But it's alright. It's okay, it's okay. We've got an alternative. Ooh. Some potholes here, mate. It's not looking good, this road, bruv. It'll do the job. It'll do the job. 2 miles per hour. Nice and steady. Slow and steady wins the race. Obviously, we've got to improvise. It's not raining, so we've got a bit of good here. Let's help ourselves out a bit. Nice and close. Let's see us. You know, this is the first time I'm trying to do it.
Yeah.
Right, traction off.
That's proper drifting, that.
That was not bad, you know. I'm not gonna lie. It wasn't as good as the A45.
Bro, that was mental.
But I was still impressed. Right. Feather it, it's holding. That's all you gotta do. First gear, feather it, counter steer, and it's just simple as that.
Bro, it looks bad.
Compared to the A45 was more brutal, innit?
Bro, the A45 done what the old school Evos do.
Yeah, like the A45, it would just keep spinning.
Really, really tight circle.
Like it's completely on ice, even in the dry.
This has got a wider, radius in it.
Because it only sends 50% to the back. A45 can send as much power
we'll put
as
a
it
video
wants
up
to
on the screen of what the A45 was like.
Yeah,
Ready, go.
Right, we'll go again. Do you know what? It's actually fun, man. Yeah. It's actually fun.
You need to see it from the outside.
There's only so much you can go straight to straight.
Yeah.
It gets boring. Let's go again. First gear, and just Keep feathering it, man. Okay. Be a bit aggressive with it. How's that look for me, Yaro? What the hell? That was bad. I need to close the sunroof. Getting all dust in my eyes, man. Opposite side. You've got to be very violent with it to get it fully out. With the A45 it was just nice and easy. Just be a bit aggressive with it. Feather it, feather it, feather it, feather it. It's holding. That's all you gotta do. First gear, feather it, counter steer, and it's just simple as that. Whoa! Right, I better chill out. 124 degrees. Don't want to be blowing that engine. Let's just chill it out. I feel like the steering wheel, I should have had it a bit more closer to me.
No, bang on.
Because you need it closer, innit? I was like having to do elbow delete to get the full, because I'm sat really far from the wheel, man. And for all of you lot who always go on about elbow delete this, elbow delete that, let me tell you something now, yeah? It's actually harder driving a car doing elbow delete than having your arms like this. This is a lot easier, but you people who do that, you're sat on the steering wheel. So
no, it's true.
Isn't it not?
Yeah, no.
Like, when you lock your arms out, it's harder to do that.
Yeah, no, 100%. It's look at what's his name now, Misha Chowdhury.
Yeah.
The way he drives on the Nürburgring.
Yeah. Obviously, if you're on a track, I understand. You've got to be closer. That's why. That's why now for drifting, you've got to have that lock in your arms, you know, and be closer to the wheel. But listen, Golf R, take a bow, man.
Yeah, not too bad.
She's doing well. She's doing very well. I'm proud of her, man. Listen, if you haven't experienced drifting, I highly recommend it, yeah? I only recommend it on a private car park. Empty land, look where we are. We're in a private place, totally private, and it's empty. That's enough. No, I'm not going to do any more, you know. I get carried away, man. I get too carried away. Good job I looked at that temperature because, you know, I was going to go for round 3 then. Yeah. Right, we're nice and cool now, mate. 112 degrees with that. I want to check out my tyre tread.